This is Infrared. And we're in downtown Brooklyn during the year's first snow flurry, which just started. So you don't have to be. It's Thursday, December 7th, 2023, about 10:36 a.m. And seemingly overnight, the City Department of Transportation has reconfigured Livingston Street. I haven't seen any publicity on this, any press releases, or the mayor or the DOT commissioner coming out here to announce what they did and why they did it and what benefits they hope to provide. So, what is the change? Livingston has always been this heavily traveled two-way street, and several bus routes begin their routes on Livingston and then fan out as they get to Flatbush. So it's always been kind of like this, two-way with, as you can see, dedicated bus lanes on each side of the street. But the change, which starts at, where are we? Smith Street. No, that was Smith Street behind us. This is No Name Street. Anyway, and then with the downtown Brooklyn Macy's there, also St. Francis College, which I think is fairly new. But here's the change that Whoa! Here's the change that DOT made. Now there's a two-way bus lane. Thank you, FedEx. And on the far side of the street, the north side of the street, it is one-way auto or two-way? Let's see.
Big bug or something? Yeah?
Yes.
I don't know if it's that. Are you in the middle of recording?
Yes. Yes, I am. Thank you. So, this is the change. A two-way bus lane, and on the north side of the street, just a one-way car lane. And I don't know if it's this way all the way down to Flatbush Avenue. But here's part of this program, this low publicity program. They built a bus stop platform like you see on the select bus service routes in some places in the city. Anyway, that's a sampling of the routes that stop here. And that's it. So, looking forward to an announcement of some kind. And it looks like it continues all the way to Flatbush.
You have a minute?
So, this is Infrared. This is what you've been watching.